Far out, you wouldn't want to sneeze in here. Bloody blow everything over. Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. I've decided to jet back to Southeast Asia after South Korea, spending about 3 weeks in Vietnam. So flew into Ho Chi Minh City yesterday. I've got a tour guide picking me up this afternoon, and he's going to be taking me around a few places, which I'm looking forward to. And then I'm going to be heading north towards Hanoi. Definitely looking forward to the Vietnam hustle and bustle, but also the time to chill out and relax as well, which should be good. But in terms of the climate, I'm sweating like a gypsy with a mortgage here. So much hotter than South Korea and New Zealand. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you shortly. Hello, yeah. Get into it.
In the middle. Yeah, that's the middle. Okay.
This guy just rocked up and pulled him.
Oh, okay.
You have to get us scared?
Oh, okay.
No, not me. Had a really cool time this morning. Went down for a cruise down to the Mekong Delta, but Day here in the background, he is my driver for the next couple of days. So he's just picking me up in the hotel, and he's going to take me through to his home village. Just about to have dinner with Dave's family. There's 2 bowls of meat in front of me. One of them is filled with like normal chicken, breast, thighs, etc. And then the other one is filled with literally chicken feet, a couple of chicken heads. Honestly, I hope I picked the right bowl.
Yo! Hai, ba, yo!
After spending the last couple of days in Ho Chi Minh City, heading up to the north of Vietnam, which is going to be cool. I've actually locked in some digital marketing work, which I'm very, very excited for. But yeah, let's get into the bus. come on.
Rửa nằm rửa kia nó dài.
Not really in the market for some necklaces, but his pitch is bloody good.
Vô quay luôn nè, 2 cái nè. Tầm trước cái 2 cái nè. Tập vu cái 100.000 vu. Làm cái này 100.000 này chú này. Có 100.000 thôi.
No.
Cái.
The last couple of days I've been in a place called Glamp Rose. This is located up in the central highlands of Vietnam, so some stunning views, which I'll show you shortly. But you can definitely tell that this is a COVID casualty. The grounds are very run down. Things are very slow here. But I guess that's kind of why I'm here. So I'm going to be helping out with their digital marketing, doing a little bit of video work, but also getting down and dirty and doing the gardening. So just show you. So you can see here, cleaning out all this. This is what it used to look like. And I've got to go all the way along here, all the way along there as well. So the view, however, is absolutely stunning. So really enjoying it. Got another sort of 7 or 8 days here, so really good time to sort of recalibrate and unwind. But yeah, let's get back into the gardening. One of the best things about staying with Van is the food. It's very, very traditional, but it is very, very tasty as well. So she's made a banana salad. Banana salad.
But banana flour, just flour.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I will show you the way we eat with dry pepper. Yeah, Vietnamese usually like this. Looking for?
3 meals a day here, and it is very, very tasty. I was going to drop in at the end of this video and say that the workaway actually got cut short a little bit. Really appreciated Van's hospitality. The food was phenomenal, but I'm just feeling so fatigued, and I think maybe the change in scenery is really getting to me. So even the effects of travel in general, I've been on the road for almost 2 months now, and it's definitely taken a toll, but got about half of Vietnam's water supply on the bed. But I'm just going to tuck in, watch Forrest Gump, favourite movie, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Cheers.